Let's multiply these two binomials together using the distributive property. Well, if we're going to be using the distributive property to multiply together binomials, it's a good idea to start out by distributing. So on step number 1, let's distribute. If we set up this problem, we're trying to take 8x plus 4 times 2x plus 5. So we want to take these two binomials and multiply them together using the distributive property, which means we need to take one of these binomials and distribute it into the other. Well, let's take 2x plus 5. Let's take this binomial and distribute it into our other binomial. To do that, we need to take 2x plus 5 and distribute it into both 8x and 4. So when we do, we get 8x times 2x plus 5 plus 4 times 2x plus 5. So in our first step, we took our second binomial, 2x plus 5, and distributed it into 8x and 4. Now looking at the resulting expression, we still have binomials inside parentheses. So it looks like we need to distribute again. So in step number 2, let's distribute again. When we distribute again, we want to take this 8x and distribute it in to both of the terms in our binomial. We'll get 8x times 2x plus 8x times 5. Then here we do the same thing with 4. We take 4 and distribute it into both terms in our binomial. We have 4 times 2x plus 4 times 5. Perfect! Now look at what we have. All we have left is a bunch of multiplications. So let's multiply. In step number 3, let's take these terms and multiply them together. So we have 8x times 2x. Well, that's 16x squared. Here, 8x times 5 is 40x. 4 times 2x is 8x. And finally, 4 times 5 is 20. So now we're left with 16x squared plus 40x plus 8x plus 20. Well, looking at all these terms, we can see that we have some like terms. 40x and 8x are like terms. They both have an x raised to the first power. So in order to simplify this expression, let's combine those like terms. So we rewrite our 16x squared, and then 40x plus 8x equals 48x. And we rewrite our 20. So now we have our answer. We took our original two binomials and multiplied them together by using the distributive property a couple of times, and then we simplified to get 16x squared plus 48x plus 20.